In this video, I'm going to teach you how to upload the GIF in Miro. In order to do that, you first need to head over to Miro.com, and from in there, proceed to enter right here your work email or your Gmail and click on this sign up free. So Miro is actually a collaborative AI-powered whiteboard tool that you can use with your team. So let me head over and then log in into my account by clicking onto this login option if you already have one. Now here is my actual Miro board. So in order to upload a GIF, I have in here this cute cat GIF. You can just drag and drop the GIF file. I've already saved it by right clicking on it and saving this particular image. So let's head over and then just add it right here into this part. Now click on this icon right here, which is the tools, and search in here for upload. And you can proceed to click on this upload option right there. You can add in here or upload from your device, or you can also upload via URL. So you can choose right here however you want. Let me head over and upload from my device, and it will open in here this. So here is it. So let's choose right here this GIF. Click on open. And then after that, this will should be added right here into our actual board. So as you can see, it's been recognized as a GIF and it's kind of laggy right now, but once it's done, as you can see, it's now moving and it works as usual. So if you wish to upload via URL, you can also just click onto the upload via URL and enter here the URL. I am using Tutor for this one. So for example, let's just get this or just choose this one. Click onto the share URL and copy on your clipboard. On your actual Miro, paste right here the URL and click on OK. And after that, that particular GIF shall be added right there, and here it is. But on my case, it's actually preferable to upload it directly on your actual device rather than uploading via URL. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.